Alright, what's going on YouTube? We're back at it again. So we just got new replacement seats. We're going to replace the old ones from the black Z32, and we're going to put in some new seats. We're going to clean them. And yeah, it's doors, bro. I said seats the whole time?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Hey, what's going on YouTube? So we just got new doors in. The old doors, they're a little, beat worn out for the black Z32. So we're going to clean up these new doors and we're going to put them in.
Alright, what's going on, guys? So these are the new door cards I ordered, obviously used off of one of the Facebook pages. These came off of a 1994, and you can tell because it has the suede, black on black suede, and then it has the little armrest pad that mine doesn't have. So the reason why I got these was because I had my doors reupholstered back in the day, like a few years back, and of course the guy didn't do that great of a job, and all the leather is coming apart. I'll show you guys here in a sec. So what we're gonna do with these doors, the door cards, is we're gonna clean them up real quick because they are suede. They're a little dusty, a little dirty. We're gonna try to refresh them, some mild soap and water and some old toothbrushes. We're just gonna try to clean them up real fast. But let me show you my old seats so you can see what I'm talking about. Alright, so everything looks good, but you come down here, you can see where he did a terrible job. So I assume he was having a hard time getting the leather to sit right in these curves, so he started using like some weird adhesive all throughout. Look at this right here. That's freaking terrible. Terrible job. And then, so this was wrapped in like a leather. I forget what kind he used. I don't know about leather like that. But he added so much material that these plastic clips, they don't have the space to go in where they need to go. And that's why my door can't even clip in, because you could force it to clip in and it just pops right out, because he added too much material here. And it's the same thing on the other door over there. Actually, it's a little worse on that door over there. So, on those of you that haven't seen the seats are looking good. Shout out to Braun for sponsoring the build. Steering wheel. Alright. Oh, obviously, shout out to Grip Royal for sponsoring the build. Appreciate you guys' support. That's the dance he makes anytime we get a new sponsor. That's the dance he's gonna be doing. Alright, so back over here. Sorry about the lighting. But yeah, these are way better. They don't have the issues that the other ones have. Obviously, these are OEM. They came with the suede. You ain't got to worry about user error. So we're just gonna clean them up real fast and then throw them on. Taking the door off. Good job. Back up. Or remove, yeah.
You gotta do all this to take the door off?
Yeah,
What the fuck?
pretty much. 14 it is.
Damn, it's a fat ass screw.
Yeah. Let me put this.
That looks really fucking old school.
Yep. Fuck this right off. Actually, I need this. Pretty sure I need that.
No, you have it. It's on the door.
Let me see.
The plastic thing, yeah, you definitely need that thing.
There you go. Brown Racing. Shout out to them. And the red seats.
Alright, so we're taking some of the parts from my original door and we're adding it to the new door, new for me. The parts, because this one was missing a couple parts and that one was missing a lot, but together we kind of have everything, all the components we need. So I'm just putting it all back. Pretty good. Smooth. Gotta have that Bose emblem. That's high quality right there.
No, you don't need that. Yeah, this guy's a beast, bro. Like what are we doing over here?
Bomb. Boom.
Bugs are bugging.
They are bugging.
Can you hold this in place right here?
Right there, fire.
You and Nick Jones are celebrating 7 years of friendship on Facebook. That's so funny.
Y'all known each other that long?
Damn, this door actually looks really tough.
Oh yeah, it's a lot nicer. It's not all fucked
Before and
up.
after. Alright, let's get that before.